Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly why you were blacklisted. Read the in-game notice and copy the reason and timestamp. Once done, collect your account ID, platform name, and any error codes shown. Screenshots work best. Make sure you export recent activity logs or clips that prove normal play. These items speed up appeals and prevent redundant steps later, so don't skip this verification before you move to contacting support or applying fixes. Next, remove all mods, run a file integrity check, and uninstall any overlays or third-party tools that could trigger automatic bans. Once your client is clean, record a short, clean gameplay clip showing normal behavior. If possible, recreate the situation that led to the blacklist to prove it wasn't abusive. Then compile a concise appeal summary listing evidence, screenshots, logs, and the new clip. This organized package makes support's job straightforward and increases your chance. Finally, submit the official appeal through the game's support portal, attach all evidence, and write a clear, polite explanation of what happened and what you changed. Expect a response window. Follow up if you don't hear back and use official escalation paths like in-game support or verified social channels. If the appeal is denied, ask for precise ban logs and recheck for undetected software or account compromise. Then repeat the remediation and resubmit with the new info.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.